Mila ayaw umuwi. So gusto lang maglakad. Gabi na. Mag 10 p.m. na Mila. It's time to sleep. Bedtime na. Oh, upo-upo pa dyan. Oh, car coming. Car coming. Oh my God. No, 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 no. Tingnan mo. Ayaw. Come, let's go na, let's go na. Nung may kapitbahay kami na, ano yun, parang, we have the neighbor, the very, let's go na, where you want to go? Go na, go na, musyo de. Your friend. Come. Ayaw umuwi. Mila, it's already 10 p.m. Why? She don't want to go home. Come, let's go na, let's go. Bahay na yan, walang tao, nakakatakot yan. Ito na naman si Mila, ayaw pa umuwi. Come, let's go na. Don't cross the road. It's dangerous, Mila. You cannot cross the road. Gusto na umuwi. Faster. Hey, your friend Mushu. Where's Mushu? Mushu is a dog, and then Mela best friend. Ay, buti naglakad. Siya na ang humihila sa akin. Ay, go so dark. I'm so scared. Let's go na. Later the ants bite your feet.